Yes, good morning students. Today, this session I will take the poem Trees. The second poem, The Trees, written by the Shirley Bauer. So, I think you might have know about some trees names in your surroundings, the mango trees, banana trees, and some other trees. So he is also nature poet. I'll read the poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to make trees houses in. See 3 lines. Trees are for birds. That means the birds are living in the trees and they will construct they will make a home nest in the trees. So trees are for birds. That means always the birds are living in the trees only. Yes, some few birds are living in the buildings or some caves, but most of the birds are living in the trees. Trees are for children. See children, very important. Trees are for children. That means the most in the villages, most of the villages, the children will play in the shadow of trees by the surrounding and any other games, or they will tie the swing. Yes, always in the shadows of the trees, the children, that's why the trees are for children. That means the children are also using more and birds also using these trees. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are also they used to construct or to make the tree houses. Next line. Trees are to swing song. See, trees are to swing song. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide, begin in hide and seek. Hide and seek. Trees are to hide, begin in hide and seek. Hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are to have tea parties under. See children, the trees are to swing song. That means now the availability of swings in your garden. The government has constructed the garden and they will give the opportunity to play the swing, that is with the metal in these cities, but in villages there is no possibility. So the children themselves they will tie the swing and they will play the swing song. That means the children will depend on the trees. The trees are the wind to blow through. See children, very important. The nature has given us oxygen through the trees. We have to grow the more trees. Very important now. In the most of the cities, there is a deficiency of oxygen. So the nature, the God has given to the trees the power, the receiving of the daytime, the trees will receive the oxygen, receive the carbon from the outside. Daytime, the trees will receive the carbon dioxide from the nature, but they will give the oxygen to the nature. See, very important. All the animals are taking oxygen and giving the carbon dioxide, but these trees are different. They will receive the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and they will give the oxygen in very rich in daytime, but night it is changes. So to blow the air through this trees, that's why the trees are also useful to blow the wind. And trees are hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. That means the children will play the hide and seek. I think you have also played how to play the hide and seek, how to hide. So the children will hide behind the tree and they will use that tree to play the hide and seek. And trees are to have tea parties under the tree. That means in some villages or some cottages, in hotels also, the cottage villages are hotels are there. So what they will use, under the shadow of the tree, they will put the tables and they will make the tea parties under the shadow of the tree. And some villages also, they will make a tea parties, or to take their food, they will use under the tree. That's why trees are also to have tea parties, and trees are very useful. Trees are very useful. See, trees are also useful for birds. Trees are useful to children, and to make the tree houses and to tie the swing and to get the blow wind and to play the hide and seek and to make the tea parties under these trees. That's why the trees are very useful to the human beings. And some animals also, birds also. See children, next sentence. Trees are for kites to get caught in. See, in summer, the holidays, children will play the kites. At the time of the playing kites, some kites will caught on the trees. That's why he wrote the trees are for kites to get caught in. And trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow and pears. Trees are for apples to grow and pears. See children, trees are to make cool shade in summer. In summer season, most of the people, they use the shadows of under the tree. That means it is a cool area. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What happens? See, why the trees are to make no shade in winter. That means in summer season, after the spring season, the summer season, all the trees will leave their very good leaf and leaves. But in the winter season, no shade. That means it will remove the their leaves. That's why the shade was not good in the winter season. That's why he told trees are to make no shade in winter. That means the trees shade also difference between the winter and summer. Summer season you will get the more shadow, but in the winter the little shadow you will get. That's why I told trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. That means the apples and pears, ಸೇಬು ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರು, where you will get? They will grow on the trees. That's why this is also one use. We will get that means we will get the fruits from the trees. We will get that is the one more very important use, that is the use of that fruits from the trees. Mangoes also, we will get the mangoes, very sweet mangoes from the trees. The trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees are to chop down and call timber. How we get the timber? Big logs. How will you get? The trees are chopped down, they will cut down, chop down, and after the cutting, after the chop down, it is considered as, it is called as timber. Timber. Trees are, after the cutting, it is called as timber. Next line. Trees make mother say. Trees make mother say. For the about the trees, the mother will say, "What a lovely picture to paint." See, the mother observation. See how she can imagine why this nature. We have to draw on the paper. That's why, what a lovely picture to paint. That means the colorful trees with the flower, yellow or pink, red. The beautiful trees with the fruits also. That's why she will enjoy that nature, and she can say what a lovely picture to paint. And next, trees make father say. Trees make father say, "What a lot to leaves to rake this fall." What a lot of leaves to rake this fall. That means in this his thinking way, the father will say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." That means every day it will lose their leaves, that falling of this leaves that is rake this fall, always falling. Every day, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. This is a small poem about the nature, about the trees, and main important, what are the uses of trees, why we should preserve, why we should save, what purpose we should save, what purpose will grow the trees. That's why it is very important. One theme is there. That means we have to grow the more trees about the surroundings, our surroundings. So in this one note is there, and I will give the clues of the exercises. In fill in the blanks, First one, read the definitions aloud to your partner. Ask him how to give the word for each definition. They will give the one definition and you have to write the one word about this line. See a wooden seat fixed on a four lengths. A wooden seat fixed by four lengths. Here one, here one, here one, here one. Four lengths of rope from a branch of a tree. What is this? Yes, a wooden seat fixed by four lengths of rope from a branch of a tree. See here. They tell that what you call this. Next one, B is a fixed wooden seat by four lengths of a rope from a branch of a tree. Fixed wooden seat by four lengths of rope from the branch of a tree. Second also say. Third one say. Right backwards and towards. Right backwards and forwards on a wooden seat suspended by ropes from a branch of a tree. See, this can move the backward and forward. What is this? Next one is this. Sweep up dead leaves into a heap. Sweep up dead leaves into a heap. That is the falling of leaves. In this poem, it is called as a rake. The falling of the always every day it will lose the leaves, so it is called as rake. Next one, the season between summer and winter. See children, I think the last poem, you know about the seasons, 4 seasons. Remember, the season between summer and winter, that also related to the trees. The season between the summer and winter, when the leaves turn gold and fruits become ripe. That is which season is. You have to write the season's name. The season between summer and winter. Remember, summer and winter. Already I have taught. After the winter, which season will comes? So summer and winter. Between the summer and winter, when leaves turn go down, fruits become very ripe. That is the rainy season, winter season. One more is there. Before summer it is autumn season and final summer season. So next one, third question is also there. Second, these are these questions are there, and third one is also fill in the blanks. I will send this picture of the first question and third question today. Tomorrow I will send these questions. Children, write all the fill in the blanks and write the question answer in your new notebook, new notes book of this English language, and take a picture and submit to the 6th English group only. Yes? Thank you children. Have a nice day.